Hello students, now I am going to talk about a nursery school. Nursery school lays foundation for all developments of a children. Nursery school is a place where young children of 3-4 years old learn as they play with materials and share experiences with other children and teacher. Nursery school can be a place for even adults to learn as they observe children and participate with them. It can serve as a laboratory for the adolescents to learn in the school as they teach many activities for children. Nursery school is defined by Catherine as it is a place which serves the needs of young children by offering them various experiences adapted to that age level. Nursery school even shares its responsibilities with parents to promote maximum growth in children. Now, nursery school has three main essentials. These essentials are building, teacher, and the play materials. Now, building. Nursery school building itself is an indication to show what facilities are available inside the school for the children. The nursery school should be planned well. It should be in a pleasant environment. It should be slightly away from the city area. It should be also slightly away from the main road because it helps to avoid hazards, accidents, and also it helps to avoid pollution. Now, nursery school building, there should be enough space inside and outside for indoor and outdoor plays. This also helps children to have more contact with each other and also avoids accidents. Now, nursery school means many things for many people. It should have a safety floor, that is safety in the building as well as playground will avoid hazards. Independence in children can be promoted by having such things as low shelves, low wash area, and also low toilet. This helps to save the time and energy of the staff members. This time and energy what they save can be used for some other activities. So this is about the building, and there also should be cross ventilation to get fresh air and good light. Now let us think of the play materials. The play materials should be of meaningful, interesting, cheap, and strong. The materials what we purchase should be useful for indoor and outdoor games. Indoor play materials should be like this. They can use books, they can use paint, they can use brush, they can use dolls, and this helps in intellectual development. Also, imagination will develop and their creativity also increases. Then next one, outdoor equipments. Outdoor equipments like wagons, then bicycle, tricycle. All these equipments will help in developing their overall growths. Mental and physical growth will be developed by having all these materials. Apart from this, sand, water and mud, these are the cheapest objects available to children, especially for the country children, country schools, and they are very good in developing their imagination. They can do different activities using these three things. And a piece of cloth should be also there. This cloth can be used for different role plays like a teacher's role. Children play different roles like teacher's role, father's role, mother's role, grandparents' role, role of a teacher, a doctor, policeman, postman, etc., etc. And another thing to be remembered is facility. A good facility should be given to children to keep the things in order. 2-3 times we have to teach children, we have to guide children, we have to train children to take the objects and to keep back after they finish the play. Now from this the children learn to be clean, neat, orderly, and aesthetic. And now about the teacher. Teacher is also essential. As equipments and building are essential, teacher is a must for a nursery school. Without a teacher, we cannot run a nursery school. She is the central point in the nursery school. She helps in educating the parents and teachers many things, and she shares her responsibilities with the parents. the main goal of a teacher is helping children to develop self-confidence and self-respect. She helps to develop knowledge. She makes them understand the things by providing various play materials, showing more interest, providing more experiences, and also explaining things to them. The teacher's main role is helping the children to find out the things, to explore the things. She helps them in different types of plays. Now the teacher is a light in the child's life because she takes the children in different paths. She should possess certain good qualities. To be a good teacher, she should have certain good qualities, like she should be impartial, she should be a good listener, she should have more interest, she should have good knowledge, she should have good skill, she should provide good opportunity for children to communicate easily and for exchange of ideas from all these points. And also she should have a lot of patience. From all these points, she will create an environment which is beautiful and aesthetic. Now, program of a nursery school. The success of a nursery school always depends on the program it sets for children. When planning a program, the individual differences should be considered. That is, the interest of the child each child should be considered. Now in the program, things should be added is first step. When the children arrive to the school, their health checkup should be done either by the staff members or by the nurse. And second thing, they should be allowed to play at least for 5 minutes outside. This play will help them to be free from all sort of mental tensions, emotions, etc. And next thing, children should be taken outside for excursion to places like grocery shop, vegetable shop, then to a building construction place. If children are taken to these places, they will see directly, they will see all these things, and it helps in giving first-hand experience to children. Then some experts should be invited to the school, like the people with pet animals, birds, and also musical instruments. They should be called inside, from which the children enjoy the most. Next thing to be remembered is we have to consider the needs of the teacher. As we consider the needs of the teacher, she will consider the needs of children. Totally we can say, to run a nursery school, there should be all facilities. The teacher should be there, the play material should be there, the equipment should be there, and also play. Play is a central part of all programs. Indoor play, outdoor play, a lot of chance should be given for the play. Play has different values. It is in any activity the child enjoys. It has 3 different values: a physical value, social value, therapeutic value, moral value, education value. Like this, there are 5 values of play. And if the child is allowed to do all these activities, definitely nursery school is, we can say nursery school lays foundation for all round development of a child. Thank you.